Hello friends, welcome to tutorial days, and in this video I'm going to show you that how and which plugin you can use for securing your WordPress website. You can see this is not a new problem. You might have also, if you are a WordPress developer or website owner, then you might have faced this kind of problem where there is always hacking problem. So what happens, normally there is malware attack, and because of that our website is always in problem. And whenever there is this kind of malware attack, then it causes harm SEO wise also. So today I'm going to use WordFence plugin, which is very popular and very good also. It has two versions. If I write here WordFence, this plugin, okay. So this plugin is available free version as well as here there is paid version, okay. So if you go to this its website, then it provides community version, that means free version, and if you want then you can free version, or it provides, if you go to products, here you can see WordPress free or view pricing. Then you can see these are the options. So this dollar, this, okay. So I will show you. Of course I'm going to use this free version, okay. So what I will do, I'm going to just, you need to log into your admin of your website, and then go to plugin, and then just write here WordFence. Add new plugin, and then search here WordFence. After this you need to install this, of course. Now click on activate. Once you activate this, then you need to install this. Actually you need license for this, okay. And for that, what you will have to do, you need to go to its website, and you will have to fetch the free license from there. For example, I'm going to its website, and then you need to register here to get. So it is showing you two options here. This one is premium version and this one is free version. So put your email here, and then after this click on yes, of course, and then tick mark. So I'm going to register here. So I just put the email ID, and it is saying that I should go to my email ID to check for the code. And now this is the license key, okay. So let's go to the website once again, not here actually, yeah, here. Then you need to put here the license key, and finally clean zones, install license. So here it is processing, you can see. Yeah, so free license installed. Now let's go to dashboard. So after going to dashboard, you can see the firewall and manage scan. So these are the options which you can see. Now what I'm more interested in, so what I will do, I will click on scan here, okay. And then you can see these are the threads. It is saying that these are the problems. The first one is admin plugin needs upgrade. So the first thing it asks you to upgrade all the plugins. So I'll follow this. All the plugins needs to be upgraded because the older version is normally vulnerable, susceptible to the malwares and hackers. Okay, malware spreader. Now I'm updating these two. Once these are updated, then we'll go to here, and the most important part in this one is click on start new scan. Okay, so it will scan and display what are the problems. So let it scan. First it's checking file changes. You can see these are the files which are there. WP includes CSS. Normally there are no such files inside CSS, and if you are website developer, then you might be knowing that inside WP includes there is no such files called CSS. That means what? Inside WP includes, the hackers has put this file, and inside that this kind of malware is spreading. Okay, so it has detected so far these files. So let's wait. And also here inside plugin it is saying that the file appears to be malicious. You can, after clicking details, you can see. So let's do one thing, let it first finish. Yeah, it has finished now. So now let's check one by one. Click on detail, then it says that inside, so the location you can see WP content and plugin. Inside plugin, of course, these kind of files is definitely not required. That means what? It has a malicious file. Okay, so guys, as you can see, it is very easier to find because it scans and it shows you that where the malware file has been kept. Okay, so what I'll do, I'm damn sure. If you're not sure, then you should take backup and then clean. Okay, so what I'll do, definitely I'm damn sure that this kind of file is not required, so I'll click on delete. Okay, so that file is deleted. Now this one also, as I mentioned it before, inside WP includes, there is no file, such file, so I'll also delete. But remember, you should better keep backup if you don't know, then, because it is possible that you may delete the file which is required. Okay, so what it say? Issue found. What is the issue? Abandoned. WordPress Lightbox. It says that this plugin is not required, and also this Lightbox plugin is not tested since 5.6. That means what? This plugin can be dangerous. Okay, so it says that go to plugin. That means what? What I'm trying to say, that this plugin is really very good for securing the WordPress website. So one by one you can check. I'll delete this one also, and all these files I'll delete. The red one is dangerous, so it must be fixed first. Okay, the dangerous thing has been deleted. Okay, and now it says that 3-column screen layout appears to be abandoned. That means there is no update after WordPress 4.7. So it is advisable not to use these kind of plugins. Okay, and also 23, if you don't require this plugin, then it is better to delete. You keep only one plugin. So in short, the main agenda, the point here is that you can see this plugin is really very good. for securing your website, and that too for free, and it is saying that it is critical. So better let's go to this plugin, Lightbox, right? It was Lightbox. So it is not only used, so why not delete this? So this way you can clean and make your website safer. WordFence, once again I will go and click on firewall. And now if you go to firewall, then here you can see two options, firewall and blocking. So IP blocking, as you can see, it is displaying here. If it finds any malware, then automatically it blocks. Okay, there are a lot of options here, you can see. And then firewall, if you go, then manage firewall. Inside this you will see a lot of options. And also if you go here, yeah, so you need to click on this one, manage. So it will automatically optimize for you. So you need to, it asks you to download htaccess first, because it may update the file. It says that okay, the firewall is now optimized. Okay, so you should optimize this one also. And inside firewall only, okay, and now login security. Here you can see it provides two-factor authentication. This is also for security purpose good. And settings, you can see a lot of options here also. If you go to inside tools, then it displays you that where the last traffic was came and tried to attack your website, into it was blocked. So as you can see, there are a lot of options and which is freely available. So this plugin is really very good, and I recommend you to use this plugin, because I myself also use this plugin, and this is really very helpful. It saves a lot of time and also effort. So guys, hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.